section of my deepest needs. You were there, I knew, now you know. When we met, I swear.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Valentine's video. We're making chocolate strawberries because last year I made these and everyone loved them and they were super pretty, so we're making them again this year, but I'm teaching you how. So the things you will need for this is Wilton Candy Melts. I've got them in 4 colors: red, pink, white, and classic brown chocolate. So my chocolate bags were $2.50 each because they were on sale for 2 for $5, which is better than them being $3 a bag, which is their usual. You will also need lots of sprinkles and other decorative items. I have 9 different types of sprinkles and toppings here to put onto my chocolate covered strawberries. Again, I am making a lot of strawberries, and then the sprinkles I already had. You can go to places like Kroger, Meijer, Target, Walmart, even Michael's to get sprinkled. And then my strawberries for this season was such a good deal. I went to Aldi and got 4 pints for $1.49 each. So it came out to about $6 for all of them. That is everything you will need. It is kind of simple and it's actually not super expensive. I just kind of went crazy and got so many decorative options. But yeah, it should really only cost you $10 if you're making even 2 pints and some chocolate. Okay, so our first step is actually to get our chocolate and to melt it in the microwave. I would use 1.5 minute intervals and stir in between so you don't burn your chocolate. It is for melting, so it's not as hard to melt this kind of chocolate as it is semi-sweet chips or things like that. I do definitely recommend stirring in between those 1.5 intervals. As you can see here, I have already melted up my white chocolate and I'm going to put in my brown and red are in here. So I've got those going. But you want to mix in between and you want it to be the consistency of like, kind of like soup, so that your strawberries will actually stick to the chips. On a metal baking sheet so that they solidify faster in the fridge, because I only have so many baking sheets and I only have so much time. So this makes it a lot faster. So once you have finished a tray, we're gonna put them right in the fridge. Okay, so these are my finished strawberries. I've got one more tray in the fridge, but this is pretty much all of them. So decorating these is fun, but also decorating boxes is fun. I decorated these 2 last night trying to figure out what kind of colors and ribbons I liked. So I went and picked out tons of stuff for decorating. Probably spent too much. You don't have to do this. I've got these little doilies in white and red. I've got tissue paper, ribbon, all sorts of stuff. And I've got 2 more boxes that are completely undecorated. These ones came decorated, but I'll tie them with ribbon after I've got stuff in them. But I figured putting the strawberries in boxes would be super cute and really easy way to store them. So yes. So the first thing I'm gonna do with this one, I'm going to take a piece of tissue paper, fold it in half since this is not a very big box. probably fold it in half one more time. And just put it into my box like this. And I'm gonna pick out some strawberries to put in here. So just taking some, I'm gonna put them in. Some with multiple different colors. I'll probably get varying sizes. Just tuck them in here. And I will store these in the fridge overnight so that they don't melt or go bad. I want to make sure that these are fresh. So yes, there's 6 strawberries in here. We're going to close that up. I'm gonna pick some ribbon. I think both of these would be cute. So some of these boxes are different sizes. It kind of depends on who's getting it. But for the most part, I'll probably put an even number of strawberries. Okay. So tell me in the comments down below what you're doing for Valentine's Day, if you have any special plans, etc., stuff like that. Please, I would love to know because I'm actually going to get some labs done on Valentine's Day, and that is my only plan. So yeah. Okay, we've already done 1 box of strawberries, and it doesn't look like we made a dent in my pile at all. That's kind of hilarious. And there's more in the fridge, so there'll definitely be some left for my family to eat. I'm sure they'll be happy about that. I love giving gifts, so if you guys want more, like, I don't know if I'd call this behind the scenes or just like, you know, make gifts with me because it's fun. I don't know who doesn't love making gifts, but I guess not everyone's as crafty. I'm like a very crafty type of person. This is very fun for me. Like, I've been waiting all day to do this. I even considered just going ahead and doing it last night, but I did not. There is 1 box of strawberries, so I'm gonna decorate the rest of these. That is all that I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys do make strawberries of your own, please tweet me or tag me in your pictures. I want to see them. I think strawberries are so pretty. Hence why I took these pictures of mine last year and these ones of mine this year. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You can like, subscribe, click the bell to get notified when I upload. That is all that I have for you, so I will see you in my next video. 2016, something like that. But I will show a lot of those in this video. Even though it terrifies me to do that and put that out there, it will help me in the long run, I think, because it will help me to record where I have come and where I'm going, because at the end of this video, I'm talking about my steps to get rid of my acne, because it is not gone. It has only gotten worse over the years. So yes, for the longest time I have felt terrible in my own skin. I get it on my